the best thing about being a Lola, words can't describe. You feel so, you have mixed emotion about being so happy. Although they are stressful sometimes, but the reward is really priceless. Surprise!
Siya yung nag-alaga sa amin since bata kami hanggang ngayon. Siya yung binibigay niya lahat sa ng mga kaya niya as grandmother.
Masasabi natin na mahirap lahat gampanan ang dapat gampanan ng mga magulang nila, pero lahat ng mga nararamdaman mo saya. I am really fulfilled as a grandmother to them. I never expected this. This is the only sa life namin na hindi namin malilimutan. Thank you, SM, and thank you, McDonald's.